From trunk or treats to costume contests for your four-legged furry friends, there's something for everyone this Halloween. Aztec Municipal Schools is rolling out a new school safety pickup platform across its elementary schools. Keep an eye out for information from your child's school. And San Juan Regional Medical Center is the first medical facility in New Mexico to deploy the Tru-D IQ System. You're watching the Local News Roundup, brought to you by Northern Edge Casino and Traeger's Bar. I'm Connor Shreve. Aztec Municipal Schools announced October 16th they'll be transitioning to a new school safety and dismissal program across all three elementary schools. The new program, PikMyKid, will replace the current pickup patrol system. Each school will transition to PikMyKid in a staggered timeline, with all three schools planned to be completely transitioned by January. Your kid's school will send information on how and when to sign up to the new program. Looking for someplace to safely celebrate Halloween with your friends and family? San Juan County has a surplus of activities for all ages. Join the fun at the Munchkin Masquerade Carnival at Farmington Rec Center on Friday, October 25th from 5:30 to 7:30 p.m. O&G Hardware is hosting Halloween Saturday, October 26th from 11 to 2. Make sure your pet is dressed to impress. Then join the fun at the San Juan College Halloween Carnival from noon to 5 p.m. Bloomfield is hosting its Trunk or Treat Wednesday, October 30th from 5:30 to 7:30 at Salmon Park. And on Halloween itself, don't miss Boo-Palooza in downtown Farmington from 4 to 6. Calvary Chapel is hosting its Trunk or Treat from 5 to 7:30, and the First Baptist Church Aztec will host their Trunk or Treat from 5:30 to 7:30 p.m. San Juan Regional Medical Center is the first New Mexico hospital to use the Tru-D IQ system, adding another layer to the hospital's cleaning arsenal. Tru-D is a UVC disinfection robot and works by generating UV energy to modify the DNA and RNA of an infectious cell, rendering it harmless. The system enables Tru-D to disinfect a room in about half the time of previous systems, enabling the hospital to continue to provide patients and visitors with a clean, healthy environment. Learn more about these and other stories online at farmingtonlocal.news. Thanks for watching this edition of the Local News Roundup. I'm Connor Shreve.